Hey everybody! In this video, we will talk about the newly added digital human teeth gums and tongue shader. These two shaders are a bit similar, the prominent feature being that they can customize ambient occlusion and use flexible sliders to lower the brightness levels of the teeth and tongue within the mouth cavity. This can make the said features look more believable. First, let's take a look at the teeth and gums. Select the CC-based teeth and switch to the material list. The teeth is divided into the upper and lower rows, and we'll focus on the upper row for now. Under the texture settings is the shader settings. Let's first expand the texture section. The gums mask is used to determine the areas of the teeth and gums with white as the teeth and black as the gums. Let's expand the texture settings and look at the base color map. You can see that the left side is designed for the teeth while the right is for the gums. Next, let's take a look at the micronormals. Like other shaders, you can achieve different results by replacing this texture. Adjust the teeth micronormal individually by adjusting the teeth micronormal tiling and teeth micronormal strength settings. You can also adjust the gums separately by adjusting the gums micronormal tiling and strength settings. I'll now select both the upper and lower rows of the teeth in order to adjust them simultaneously. The teeth edge color is used to control the highlight color around the edges of the teeth. Is upper teeth is a required setting for the upper row of teeth. After auto conversion, this setting is automatically enabled for you. Because the top row of teeth uses a different set of UVs from the bottom row. In this case, is upper teeth decides which UV set to use. You can adjust the teeth brightness attribute to brighten the teeth. Teeth saturation has the effect of making the teeth look whiter or stained, and the gums have the same set of parameters. The front roughness and specular settings are used to control the amount of reflection for the front of the teeth. Front and rear AO can control the ambient occlusion contribution for the front and rear parts of the teeth respectively. So how are the front and back portions defined? Take a look at the Gradiebt AO Map under the Texture section. The RGB channels of this map represent different textures. The red channel represents the lower teeth and gums. Green channel represents the upper teeth and gums, and the blue channel represents the tongue. The white parts of each channel map constitutes the front side, and the black parts constitutes the back side. So when I change the red channel of this map by painting parts of the channel completely black, you can see that the teeth and gums are no longer visible in the lower back row. I can then adjust the rear AO settings to make this portion disappear or reappear. I can also adjust the rear roughness and specular settings to control the intensity of reflections for the lower back row. Under the subsurface scatter section, we can adjust the SSS falloff and radius settings to demonstrate different material effects. And under the Advanced subsection, we can adjust the scatter intensity of the teeth and gums on an individual basis. The adjustments for the tongue is almost similar to the teeth and gums. There are the Gradiebt AO and Micro-Normal texture maps. You can also adjust the micro-normal, brightness, desaturation, front and rear AO, etc. Don't forget that if you want to modify the regions that define the front and back of the tongue, you'll want to edit the blue channel of the Gradiebt AO map. The tongue also has its own subsurface scatter settings. I hope you have learned a lot, and make sure to check out the forums at forum.reallusion.com to keep up to date with the latest Reallusion news and events. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.